Let us make it more interesting for you. Suppose we have a rational function and you want to apply the limit definition of derivative and find the derivative of this function. So the derivative of this function, you have a lot of algebra here, everyone. So we need to focus on algebra. F prime is equal to, let me move it down here so we have enough space. The limit of wherever you see x, you're going to substitute that by x plus h. So you have 1 minus parentheses x plus h divided by 2 plus x plus h. We don't need any parentheses here because it's just a plus, it doesn't change the sign. Minus f of x, which is 1 minus x, divided by 2 plus x. Everything is over h as h goes to 0. So here you can take the common denominator. The common denominator, let me write down limit as well, is going to be 2 plus x times 2 plus x plus h. And then on your numerator, you're going to multiply the first numerator by 2 plus x and the second numerator by 2 plus x plus h. So 1 minus x minus h multiplied by 2 plus x minus 1 minus x times 2 plus x plus h. Everything is divided by h as h goes to 0. So again, as I mentioned, it's pure algebra, everyone. There is nothing calculus here. This guy is equal to f prime of x is equal to. So I'm going to just multiply these two together. Here, remember that the denominator is 1. Multiply 1 by the numerator up here and multiply these two together. Remember that if you have a divided by b over c divided by d, it is basically ad divided by bc. We're doing the same thing here. So you have the limit of h times 2 plus x, 2 plus x plus h, and here you can distribute these 1 times these two numbers, negative x times these two terms, and negative h multiplied by these terms. So you have 2 plus x minus 2x minus x squared, then multiply these two by h minus 2h minus hx, and continue the process. You have a minus sign and do the same thing here. You have 2 plus x plus h, and now multiply negative x here, minus 2x minus x squared minus x h. Very good. Now we need to simplify this guy more as well, and remember h goes to 0. Perfect. So let's see. We can simplify this a little bit. You have negative 2x and x, which becomes minus x. Then distribute this negative sign. You get negative 2 minus h plus x squared plus x times h, and try to simplify as much as you can. Here you have x squared minus x squared. Here you have hx, negative hx. You have a 2, you have negative 2. Then you have, let's see, you have x, negative 2x, so it becomes minus x. So far we have minus x, and here you have negative 3h divided by this guy down here. So let's see what we can do. We have another x, so this guy gets cancelled out completely. Very good. So f prime of x is equal to the limit of minus 3h divided by h times 2 plus x, 2 plus x plus h. As h goes to 0, you can cancel out h and h, and you have negative 3 divided by 2 plus x, 2 plus x plus 0, or the derivative is negative 3 divided by 2 plus x to the second power.